Hello, my lovelies, my Jazzy Pips. Welcome back to my channel. For today's feature, I'll be sharing with you my favorite fashion items like clothes, bags, shoes, and accessories. Most worn and best purchase items. Yes. But before that, I would like to thank my gorgeous friends who gave me the pahabol Christmas gifts. So this pomelo, actually, as you can see here, one box of this pomelo. So, two pomelos na lang ang natira. So, two remaining pomelos na lang. Thank you so much to my gorgeous friend, Gladys Ayuste. So remember, the fashion designer who are so good in street style. So watch out for Gladys Ayuste. And to another gorgeous corporate bestie, my former boss, Anna Anastasia, for this Messy Bessie Sports Deer Rising Spitzer. O, diba? They have pala like this, oh. See? Yeah. So, you can spray your shoes, especially the sneakers. Yeah. This one is so good, especially for those who are so sporty. This is so nice. So nice. I love this. And it's the first time I learned about this. Yeah. And another one from another gorgeous bestie, Miss Jeannie Marcel, who will be leaving for Austria for 3 years. Yeah, so we catch up together with Ana Anastasia Ata, my former boss, and Meg Marie Cortez, the former marketing director of VMV, and Dr. Bevs. You know Dr. Bevs, my gorgeous dermatologist friend. Yeah, and this is Miss Jeannie. So we had a dinner 2 days ago, and this one, she gave me this. Sabi ko nga, unbox ko na lang dito. So yan, let's see what is this. Let's see this. Uy, what is this? Wow. Uy, I like this. I love this. I love vinegar. Yeah. If you don't know, I super love vinegar. So I'll share with you the one my husband's client always give us, this vinegar from Malolos, Bulacan. But this is so nice. So thank you so much again to my gorgeous friends who really made out of their way to give me these gifts. So without further ado, so let's start. So let's start with this. My love is my Jazzy Pips most worn clothes. And first things first, this one, this red maroonish polka dot dress I got from one of the stores in 168. And so sad that store was not there anymore. I don't know why. So I got this last 2017 at only 150 pesos. Yeah. And I really love this because it's so comfy, chill lang. And I wear this during my errands, going to the grocery, going to the bank, and whenever I go to Dashing Diva for my nail spa. So thank you so much, Miss Weng, for my nails here. Yan. So ito, phantom color of the year. Yes. Baka nga maybe they will think that I have some few dresses. Because yeah. I'm not kidding. I always wear this. Siguro every week. Once every week. Diba? I will just wash this and then basta every week I always wear this. Promise. Yeah. And next, another one. ROI na rin. This one from Zara. Yes. So the nice thing about this dress, as you can see, This is lace with polka dots, white polka dots and rose. And yeah, a little backless here. I really love this dress. If you're following me in FB and IG, siguro I wore this twice a month. Yeah. Yes. Another one from Zara. This one, I got this last 2016 yata or 2017. And the nice detail of lace, and this is velvet or suede. And suede is very huge this year as one of the fashion trends, but in brown. Yeah, nice, diba? Super love this. Another dress from Zara. This one, the white dress. Sorry, I just wore this last week when I shoot the feng shui forecast of my friend Samsung Chua. And it's kind of loose na on me. Yeah, but I still love this look. Yun nga lang, it's kind of dirty. Di ko pa ito nalaban. Yes. And next, another dress. I bought this from Shopee. Yeah. So I love this dress. And you know naman, I love white and I love the embroidery. So I bought this from Shopee. Yeah. Nice, diba? Super. So I love that dress so much. I purchased another color. Yes. So same detailing. Same embroidery, same design, but different color. Yeah. Yellow, and I love yellow. Yellow also is one of the colors for this year, but not this yellow. It's more on butter yellow. Yes. Dress from Pomelo Fashion. Pomelo Fashion is a Thai fashion brand. And I got this during the height of pandemic. And I asked Mang Jo, my tailor man, to put the feathers. Yeah. It's parang 2 yards to. Yan. So sad lang, Mang Jo is in the province na. That's why I'm having a problem where to go to alter my clothes. Because I have lots of clothes for alteration. Oh, diba nice? Third dress from Pomelo Fashion, this one. Yes, super love this. When I bought this, it didn't fit me, but now, it fits me now. Kinda loose here na nga eh, here at the hip area. But dito, tama lang. Nice, diba? And, I love the belt. Yeah. Kaya, okay lang. Kasi meron siyang illusion. One gifted to me by my gorgeous friend, Dr. Bebs, when I was still in BMV. Yeah. So this one, I love this from Mango. Medium to o large. Large na. It's kind of loose na rin siya. So I always wear this during errands din. Yeah. Super love this dress. From H&M in collaboration with Erdem. And Floras is one of the fashion trends this year. I love the details. You can see, no? Parang bib siya. Pero it's not. And small ruffles here. There. Small ruffle. I love this dress. And most worn sweater. This one from H&M in collaboration with Giambattista Valley, Paris, and national fashion designer of Heart Evangelista. Yeah, the good thing about this sweater, as you can see, all the pearls are still intact. And this is, from men's section, but I love it. I love it. I always grab this whenever I will travel. Yeah. And may hood pa. Diba nice? With yung hood pa, may pearl pa rin, no? Kaya nice siya. Super nice din. Dress from RAF in collaboration with my favorite fashion designer, Mark Baumgartner. Yan. Super love this dress. And there is a pocket here. Yan. May pocket talaga siya. Hindi siya illusion lang. Hindi siya aesthetic. Yan. So, this is the dress. But if I wear this, I paired it with this top from Pomelo Fashion. So, it's like a hoodie. So, it's kind of huge on me, but it's okay because I wear this as an inner top or outer top. Yeah. Nice, diba? Because I need to wear this. Parang ganyan mangyayari dyan. Oh. Because I wear this. Because I'm not confident to show my arms, still huge. Even though I lost a lot of weight, but still my arms still big. Another one from RAF in collaboration with Mark Bumgarner. I really love this top. Dapat pala small yung kinuha ko kasi it's kind of loose na on me. And you can see the famous symbols of our country. As you can see here, the luneta. Can you see the luneta? There, oh, the luneta. And the Manila Post Office, the Mayon Volcano, the Manila Cathedral, and also the eagles. Yeah. Nice, diba? Super love this. Super love this top. And the sleeves, it's kind of Filipiniana, but it's butter. I don't know what is the design of the sleeves. But I wore this when I attended an art gallery at Mark Bumgarner studio. And he noticed it because it's his creation. Yeah. And this one, you saw this, siguro doon sa isa kong vlog, I wore this when I attended the SOFA grad show. And I wore this siguro last year, lots also, million times. Yeah, parang every 2 months I wore this. Yeah. Ang nice kasi eh. And I love the color. And this is the color of the year. Yeah. It's like, sorry, I wasn't able to press this or even steam. This is from Mango. Yan. So, we will just tie this. So, I wore this siguro so many times attending events. Yan. Siya. I love this. This is from Mango. I love the parang siyang silk satin eh. And I love the color. This is call this parang oat white. They call it oat white. Or ivory white. Yes. And speaking of skirts, this one from RAF also. Yan. Oh my God. Can you see the details of the skirt? I got this on sale. This is from RAF. So you better check out RAF because they have lots of nice clothes there. Yeah. And it's local brand. As you know naman, I love Zara also. So this one naman, I got this from Zara, but in Vietnam. And this is a premium, Zara premium. As you can see, we don't have a Zara premium here in the Philippines. So I got this when I went to Vietnam. And I wore this on the last day of BYS Fashion Week. Very nice. And paired it with the top. Speaking of skirts, this denim skirt, which I wore so many times last year. Oh my God. Here. Ang ganda ng detailing. And would you believe I got this from 999 Mall at 199 pesos. And there are beads, diba? Kikita nyo yung mga beads. Ang ganda kaya talaga nito. That's why one of my favorite skirts to eh, in my closet. Yeah. And another favorite denim skirt. This one I got from Lazada. Yan. Ang ganda din mo. Super nice. Sobrang sexy lang nito. When, kasi nakita yung thigh mo on the side here. But it's still decent. And this dress also from Pomelo Fashion. So, I always wear this on meetings. Yeah. So, I love this. It has a button, pearl button here. Yan. And this is tweed. So, this is the color baby pink or powder pink, which will be huge this year. Not the fuchsia. Not this one. Not this one. Yeah. Okay. So, next, best purchase items last year. So, I'm talking about these Brabant H&M. It's a collaboration with Paco Rabanne. I love kasi Broderie Anglais. Yeah. And I wore this last year sa Ternocon. Yeah. Super love this. Super love this talaga. And the good thing about H&M, every year they have a collaboration with international fashion designers. So, you can afford because Rabanne clothing will range from 50,000 up. And this one only cost me 6,900. Still expensive, but if you will buy really fashion designer clothing, it will cost you a fortune. Yeah, but this one, very nice. Another one, I got this from Michael Kors when they had a sale at 70%. Oh, diba nice? With the feathers. Actually, it's kind of loose on me, pero styling ko na lang. Kasi medium, they have no small na. Medyo oversized kasi siya eh. But it's fine. Diba nice? And this is my first Michael Kors top. And at 70%, would you believe? Yeah. Super nice. Sobra. And another one, my last best purchase for this category is this Balenciaga skirt. Oh, diba nice? This is so nice. I love this. Diba nice? I wore this during BYS Fashion Week on the second day. Parang drawing lang ng kiddo, no? But you can see this. Kaya hand wash to. My God. Oh, if you're a fan of cats, yan, nice siya. And as I can see here, the crystals are still intact. Yeah. So this is the skirt. It's kind of short. That's why I wore stockings. Yeah. Very nice. And I got this when they had a sale. My God, I love this. Yes, and it's a must for you to have a custom-made clothes from a fashion designer. Yes. Okay, so I'm happy that I got this. This is gifted to me by CC Ron Ramiro. So this is his signature jacket. Yeah. In silk. Yeah, and this floral applique and with this pearls and this lace. I really love this. And I can match this to different outfits like skirt, pants. As a matter of fact, I paired it with this skirt. As you can see, this glittery skirt from Obra Alta Costura. I wore these two last Philippine Heritage Society Ball. Super nice. And I wore lang, actually it's a tube, a tube inner. Para lang, my Andy will not be seen. And it's kind of loose na. So I need to ask Obra Alta Costura to repair this top. I had a lot of use of this actually, and it's kind of loose already. Actually, it is custom made for me 2 years ago for our 50th birthday celebration of my high school classmates last April 2023. Yeah, so I pair it like this. Kaya lang they're both loose na. So yan. So I don't know, maybe my cousin Pai will alter it or make another one. Because this one, I already wore this, I think 4 to 5 times. Yeah. Very nice. And another one, I asked Mr. Don Cristobal to make me a shrug. This one also 2 years ago. Yeah. So I wore this last Fabulous. Actually, twice ko na siya. I already wore this twice. 2 years ago at Mom Movies event, the Philippine Fashion Circle Awards and Gala. Then I paired it with a gold sequin dress, and this time another dress from Zara. I paired it with the Zara dress because enchanting. So super nice this shrug. Yeah. Another dress from Obra Alta Costura. Remember this? Oh my god. So I wore this already for 4 times. First, Michael Leva, then 2, Barbie event, and 3, Nature Meets Fashion by Jerry Sibal, and lastly, the Rosas Filipinas by Miss Rose Tolentino. Yes, last November. Yeah. Super love this. So this is the front, and this one, medyo I need to alter na rin. Yes. Yeah, that's so nice. This is so nice. Here. Yes. As you can see, I love the detail. Parang I want for Obra to make me naman na dito yung bow in front. So I want it na black and white. I don't know. See yan. Pero not open here, ha? So parang suit siya na may ano. Yun lang. Parang when napipicture ko lang. Parang it's nice to have a bow here in front. Then this one, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. So next, my love, is my Joseph Pep's most worn shoes last year. So let's start with these Prada Dad sandals. Just for your information, my love, is my Joseph Pep's. All my shoes are cleaned and sanitized because it's my protocol to clean and sanitize them after wearing them. Here, oh my god, I super love these shoes. Yeah, but as if you're not wearing any shoes. Yeah, and oh my god, I can walk every day. I mean, I could walk 10 kilometers on these sandals. Yeah, ganun siya ka-comfy. This is so comfy. My god, super super. And this is also one of my best purchase because I got it on sale before Prada went global, because Prada now is not under SSI anymore. So yeah, oh my god, this is so nice. My goodness. Yeah. Next, this Miller sandals from Tory Burch. Super comfy dito. So this one naman, I wear this pag magpapa-nails pa ako. So yeah, this is so nice. Super love this sandals also. I love ballet shoes. I love the ballet shoes of Tory Burch. Yan. Super comfy and super love this. If you will buy ballet shoes from Tory Burch, always look for this. Because the one without this, it's not comfortable. But with this, it's very comfortable. I have another 2 ballet shoes from Tory Burch. ROI na. Ballet shoes. This one from Ferragamo. This is a classic ballerina shoes of Ferragamo. So yan. This is so nice. And even though it's 9, it's okay naman. So I need to be flexible. For sneakers, oh my god, this is so ROI na. These Gucci Ace shoes, I got this last 2021 during the height of pandemic. Because they had a sale at 50 to 70%. And I got this at, I think, 65%. Yeah. And for the longest time, I'm looking for this design with the bow. Yeah. And super ROI na to. Yeah. And this is so comfy. One of the comfiest shoes I have. Gucci. Gucci is one of the comfiest shoes aside from Valentino and Hermes. I love this. And this one, oh, blue and red. Kaya dito, blue and red also. And this is detachable. And you can detach it. Oh, diba? And this one from Melissa. Super love this shoes. Yeah. This is so comfy. And yan. ROI na rin to. So I got this 2 years ago. Yeah. This is one of the Christmas gifts of my husband. I really love the Prada design. It's like this, but it's so expensive. It will cost me 75,000. I don't have size. So being practical, I look for an alternative. And this is a nice alternative. And Melissa, it smells good. So check this out. My love is my jacket. This is so nice. I love it. And this is in cream color. Yeah. I'm not a fan of Crocs, but when I saw this, oh my god, this is so nice. This is collaboration with Hello Kitty. Oh my god, this is so nice. And this is so comfy. I super love these sandals. With sparkling details, yan. Super love. Diba? I'm not really into Hello Kitty, but this sandals is so cute. So I cannot resist it. So, and I put some gibbets lang. Because if you purchase this, there's no this one. So you add lang. So nice, diba? Even though it's kind of small on me. So I need to adjust to the sandals. But right now, it's so comfy na. Before kasi parang hindi pa comfy eh. Super love. Nice, diba? Next, this Hermes Kelly Mules. Oh my god. This is so nice. As you can see, this is the Kelly. Nice, diba? Yeah. So I wear this if I'm wearing a suit, trouser, even wearing this dress. Yeah. So it's okay lang eh. Yeah. So this one, I love this. Kaya lang you have to really take good care of it because it's white. But I think I did a good job. Yeah. So nice. And this Prada shoes. Yeah. Oh my god. This is so nice, but this is not comfortable. This is not comfortable. Because this is only size 9. So, my size talaga is size 10. But I need to adjust. So, that's why when I'm wearing it, I'm wearing a socks. And I'll show you my hack para hindi sumakit ang paa nyo. So, but I love these shoes even though it's kind of painful. Yeah, so as you can see the logo here, the logo here, and the logo here. Siguro, if I got the size 10, this is so comfortable. Kaya lang size 9 talaga lang eh. But it's okay, because I wear a socks. This one, I got this from Shopee. And it really helps when I wear this. Yeah, because it's really painful on this side. Yeah. But even though it's hurting me, I love these shoes. Yeah. Next, my love is my Jazzy Peps party shoes. Even though this shoes is 5 inches, I super love this. This is from Jimmy Choo. Yeah, this is the Aria sandals. And this one, size 9 lang to. It's so comfortable. It doesn't hurt my feet, but if you're wearing it for almost 3 hours, legs is ano lang, feel like heavy lang. Yeah, because nga it's 5 inches. And you know naman, I'm already 51, turning 52 this year. But still I can wear this kind of shoes. Ang nice, diba? And animal print is one of the fashion trends this year. Yeah, and this is limited. And I got this on sale also at 50% or 60%. Yeah, that's nice. Another Jimmy Choo. I love Jimmy Choo talaga. This one, this black sandals with this fringes. Oh my god. And fringes is also one of the fashion trends this year. Yan. Yan, diba na? You can see the chandelier of the shoes. And as you can see, the chandelier still intact. Still intact. Yeah. And when I wear this, sobrang sexy my feet. Yeah. Sobrang nice. This is a nice shoes. Next, this one, this is not Jimmy Choo, but it's like Jimmy Choo. They're Bing shoes. Yeah. But this is from Matthews. Yes, Matthews. I got it from CMG. This is so nice and very comfy shoes. Look. Sobrang comfy niya. Nice. Super nice. I love these shoes. Yeah, super. Even here, glittery yung heel niya. Lahat glittery eh, no? So, that's why I love this. And I got it on sale 2 years ago. Yeah. From the high street brands, this one from Zara. Oh my god, I really love this shoes. And this is, before, first time I wore this, it's kinda painful. But, it's already grew on me. It's okay na. Yan. Very nice to. Yan, oh. Super nice. Super sexy. Yan. And this is 3 inches. I got this 2 years ago. Sobrang nice. And another shoes from High Street. This is from Mango. Here. I love this. And this is kind of this is a PVC. So your toes will be seen here, but not that much. And PVCs or clear shoes is one of the fashion trends also in shoes this year. Yeah, so nako, I'm telling you na the fashion trends. So, but don't worry, I will still present to you the fashion trends soon. Okay? So yan. And another one. This one from Mango also. Yeah, I love this. This is so comfortable. I can dance all night in these shoes. Yeah. So ito, pag may dancing, I need to wear this because this is so comfortable. Actually, Mango shoes is more comfortable than Zara. So in Zara, you really need to try so many times before you purchase the Zara shoes. Yeah, but in Mango, they are all comfortable. Yes. So that's a wrap for now, my lovies, with Jazzy Peps. And I'll be featuring the part 2 of my most favorite and best purchase fashion items, which are the fashion accessories, fashion jewelry, sunglasses, and bags next week. If I will include it here, this vlog will be a longer one, and I don't want you to be bored. Okay, maybe you will not be bored, but it will be a 1.5 hours. It's very long already. Okay, so stay tuned for that next week. And good news, my lovelies, my Jazzy Peps, since some of you requested me to extend another 1 week of the Christmas giveaway, because some of my followers, I met them face to face last week if I could kindly extend it for another week. So I will extend it for another week until next Sunday, and I will announce the winners on February 14th. Okay, so you better hurry, my lovies, my Jazzy Peps. So watch the vlog, what I got for Christmas, and watch it until the end for you to know the mechanics. So yeah, so watch it until the end, because if you will not watch it until the end, you will not be able to join, because the mechanics, the latter part of the vlog. Okay, and before we end, I just want to say thank you to my Sisi Chai for these cuties. Yeah, actually, when I unwrap her gift, this is part of the clip. I don't know what had happened when I edited it, so I don't know, but well, so these are the cuties, and I will put them here so that they will not be dusty. Okay, so thank you so much again, my lovies, my Jazzy Peps, for watching, and I'll see you next week for the part 2 of my most favorite and best purchase items, which are the fashion jewelry, sunglasses, and bags. Until next time, see you. Bye. Love you. And another sneakers is this Triple S Balenciaga. Oh my goodness, I never thought that I will love these shoes, but it turned out this is one of my best sneakers. It's kind of heavy, but when you wear it, oh my god, it's so comfy. Super love this. And it's like a collaboration with Gucci, but it's Balenciaga, yun lang nga. Yung size nandito siya. So it's so nice. Yeah, super love this. And brown is the color of the year. As far as I know, this is a limited edition of Triple S. Yeah, love it. During the height of pandemic, it's only 3,000 pesos. Now it's 11,000. You cannot get a leather like this. Purchase. And Tiffany & Co. can clean this, so the warranty is lifetime.